Hello friends, welcome to the channel Can You Solve It? In this video we are going to solve the billiard ball problem. The problem is you have 8 billiard balls. One of them is defective in the sense that it weighs more than the others. Now what is the least number of times should you use a balance to tell which ball is defective? Let's try to solve this. To begin with, we use the balance first time to weigh 4 balls each. So obviously the balance is going to tilt towards the 4 ball group which has the defective ball. Let's say the ball is among this group. Now we use the balance for the second time to weigh 2 balls each from the defective group. Again the balance is going to tilt towards the 2 ball group which has the defective ball. Let's say it is this group. Now only 2 balls left and we use the balance for the third time to find the defective ball. So in all we used the balance 3 times. Simple, right? But this is not the best we could do. I will tell you now that by using the balance only twice we can find the defective ball. You can pause this video and think of finding out how, and then you can proceed for the answer. The logic here is you don't need to weigh all the balls to find the defective one. Let's divide the 8 balls into 3 groups consisting of 3, 3 and 2 balls. Here two cases arises. In case A, if one of the groups has the defective ball, the balance is going to tilt towards it. In case B, if none of these two groups has the defective ball, then the balance is not going to tilt towards any. That means in case B, the defective ball must be present in this 2 ball group which we didn't weigh. So in case B, we use the balance for second time to find the defective one. So in case B, we found the defective ball by using the balance only twice. Now let's go back to case A. Now in case A, we have 3 balls left. We take any of the 2 balls and use the balance for second time to weigh them. If one of the 2 balls selected is defective, then the balance is going to tilt towards it. If it didn't, then the ball left out is the defective one. In any case, we don't need to use the balance again. So in this case also we have used the balance twice. So in both the cases we used the balance twice to find the defective one. That's it. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed solving this tricky puzzle. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it already for getting updates on more interesting puzzles. See you on the next one.